Last year on this campus, you spoke with my former coworker, Bella, about abortion.
I did.
I want you to share a little bit about that conversation, what your thoughts were going into it, how you expected it to be, and then how it turned out.
Well, when I first met Bella, I just want to say, Bella, if you're listening, hey, how you doing? It's good. It's so good. I hope you're doing well, honey. I miss you. I miss you dearly. We got to have a coffee sometime. But when I first met Bella and when I first saw your table, I signed yes. And I signed yes because I was pro-choice at the time. I hadn't really known what pro-choice was, but, you know, with the way that things that what I've learned from, of course, media and like this Twitter sphere of where you have the pro-life arguing, well, abortion shouldn't happen, in pro-choice, I really did think pro-choice, you know, was defending rights, and I still think that to some degree. But, you know, I never really talked with a pro-lifer, and I never really went in with the intention of talking with Bella, but she was so nice that we sat down and we had a conversation. The conversation lasted for hours on end. It was like amazing. It was like I almost, and it wasn't like hours, it wasn't tedious. It was hours, as in it was amazing. It was like I sat down with her and we were both really getting down deep to the root of the issues. And she kind of reflected a little bit of my personal beliefs, just like she also reflected a little bit of mine. And at the end of the day, I came away a different person than I was.